Have a good day to all employers out there. My name is Rochelle. I am 43 years old from Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I am a single. I am a college graduate, educational course, general midwifery. I have work experience abroad as a domestic helper in Hong Kong within 13 years since 2012 to 2025. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children and the elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, marketing, and take care of it. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and trustworthy. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to be prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.